Right now, people all over the world are making money with AI. And most people don't even realize how big this opportunity is. Everyone is talking about AI, but very few know how to profit from it. Meanwhile, others are quietly building online businesses with AI. And many of them started as complete beginners. Huh? What's this? AI is not just a technology. Wow, that's amazing! It's a powerful productivity machine. And people who learn to use it early
can create new income streams.
Let's look at a few powerful ways. First, AI content creation. AI can help generate scripts, create videos, and build entire YouTube channels. Some creators earn thousands from simple videos. The second opportunity is freelancing. Businesses need content. Social media posts. And marketing materials. And AI lets you do these tasks faster. Another powerful option is digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates and guides, and sell them online. But there's something important to understand. AI will not make you rich overnight. It's simply a powerful tool. Success still requires consistency. And discipline. The good news is, AI removes many barriers. You don't need expensive equipment. Or a big team. Just ideas and effort. Small actions. During and lead to progress. And progress leads to opportunity. Opportunity leads to freedom. And it all starts with learning. The AI revolution has already started. Some people will watch it happen. Others will take action. The future belongs to those who adapt. And those who learn early. So the question is not, can you make money with AI? The real question is, will you start learning today? Because the people who start early win the biggest opportunities.